RRSPs explained, everything you need to know about tax-free growth. If you're working in Canada and not taking advantage of an RRSP, you might be leaving free money on the table. Whether you're just starting your career or thinking about retirement, understanding RRSPs can save you thousands in taxes and set you up for long-term wealth. But I get it. RRSPs can sound like a complicated subject of tax rules and deadlines. That's why in today's video, I'm breaking it all down in plain English. No confusing finance talk, just the real reasons why an RRSP could be a good option for you. If you're serious about improving your finances, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. So what is an RRSP? Okay, let's start with the basics. RRSP stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan, and it was introduced by the Canadian government in 1957 as a way to encourage people to save for retirement. Before RRSPs, most Canadians relied on pension plans from the employer or the government's old age security and Canada Pension Plan. The RRSP was designed to give individuals more control over their retirement savings while also offering tax advantages. Despite its name, RRSPs are not just about retirement, they are also about paying less tax and growing your money faster. So who is eligible for an RRSP? To open and contribute to an RRSP, you must meet the following criteria. Be a Canadian resident for tax purposes, have earned income, be under the age of 71. Yes, there is an age limit for contributions. So you can contribute to your own RRSP until December 31st of the year you turn 71. If you have a spouse or common law partner, you can also contribute to a spousal RRSP, which can help with income splitting in retirement. We'll discuss this in a different video later on. Here are the advantages of an RRSP. Immediate tax deduction. When you put money into an RRSP, you get a tax deduction for that amount. This means you reduce your taxable income, which leads to a lower tax bill and a bigger tax refund at tax time. For example, if you earn $70,000 per year and contribute $10,000 to an RRSP, you will only be taxed on $60,000, potentially saving you thousands in taxes. Tax-free growth. The money inside an RRSP grows tax-free until you withdraw it. Unlike a regular savings account, where you pay tax on interest or investment gain, your RRSP allows investments to grow without any yearly tax deduction. Example, if you invest $5,000 in an RRSP and it grows to $10,000 over time, you won't pay any tax on the gains while your money stays in the RRSP. Lower taxes in retirement. You only pay taxes when you withdraw money from your RRSP, ideally after retirement, when your income is likely lower. For example, let's say you're earning $90,000 now and retire on $40,000. Your tax rate in retirement will be much lower, which means you'll save on taxes when you withdraw from your RRSP at that time. So how much can you contribute? Okay, now let's talk about the contribution limit. This limit is based on 18% of your previous year's earned income, up to a set maximum set by the government, plus any unused contribution rooms from previous years. This maximum amount for 2024 was $31,560. Here's a pro tip. If you don't use all of your RRSP room, it carries forward to future years. So if you haven't contributed much before, you might have lots of extra room to catch up. And the more you contribute, the bigger the tax refund you can get. To check your personal contribution room, you can visit the Canada Revenue Agency's website and check your account. Your RRSP contribution amount is updated every year and can be found on your latest notice of assessment or by logging into your CRA account. Keeping track of your limit helps you avoid overcontributing, which can result in penalties. The penalty is 1% per month on the excess amount if you overcontribute by more than $2,000. If you exceed this buffer, you must withdraw the excess amount, which may have tax implications. So when can you contribute to an RRSP? The RRSP contribution deadline for any given tax year is the first 60 days of the following year, meaning you can still make contributions after December 31st to lower last year's taxes. The RRSP contribution deadline for the 2024 tax year is March 3rd, 2025. This means you have until that date to make contributions that can be applied to your 2024 income tax return. And that's it for the RRSP rundown. To recap, RRSPs help you pay less taxes today, grow your money tax-free, and save on taxes at retirement. You're eligible if you're a Canadian resident, earn income, and you are under 71. Your contribution limit is based on 18% of your previous year's income with a maximum set by the government. And don't forget, any unused contribution room carries forward. And finally, the deadline to contribute for the 2024 tax year is March 3rd, 2025. So there is still time to make a smart move before the cutoff. Remember, planning your RRSP contributions can be an easy win for your future. If you're unsure about where to start or need help maximizing your contributions, feel free to reach out. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward money tips. And in the comments, let me know, are you making the most of your RRSP? I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video.